Shifting focus, day after a major Jaish terror plot was foiled by our forces in Jammu and Kashmir's Nagrota by killing 4 terrorists in early yesterday. You had Army Chief General Mukund Narawane saying the crackdown was a clear message for Pakistan that anyone who crosses from Pakistan into India will pay a heavy price and all adversaries will be in fact meted the same treatment. The Army Chief said that whosoever crosses the line of control to infiltrate into India will be dealt with in the same manner and would not be able to go back. The Army Chief also heaped praise on our troops who carried out the operation against the terrorists who are hiding in a truck. He said there was a great deal of synergy between the Army, the Jammu and Kashmir Police and paramilitary troops in Jammu and Kashmir. This comes after 4 heavily armed terrorists travelling in a truck were killed in a fierce encounter yesterday at Nagrota on the Srinagar-Jammu highway. The terrorists were planning to disrupt the upcoming District Development Council elections in Kashmir.
A big win for security forces. Four Pakistan-based Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists killed in a dramatic early morning encounter near a toll plaza in Jammu's Nagrota. The fierce encounter on the Jammu-Srinagar highway caught on camera showed the exchange of fire and forces blowing up the truck carrying the terrorists.
जैसे मोहम्मद का ग्रुप है बहुत बड़ा असला और मिशन लेके जे कश्मीर की तरफ जा रहा था कोई बड़ी आतंकी कार्रवाई प्लान करके उसको एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए जे कश्मीर की तरफ रवाना थे.
A huge consignment of weapons and explosives, including AK-47 rifles, grenades and RDX were found from the slain terrorists, apart from Pakistan-made medicines.
A large quantity of arms and ammunition has been recovered, which includes 11 AK-47 rifles, 3 pistols, 29 grenades. Besides the grenades and ammunition which was fired at us, we have also recovered incriminating documents and material which we are investigating.
Here near the Bund Toll Plaza, you can see the extent of damage that has taken place. You can see the splinter marks, the bullet marks. So you can see that in the morning when that fierce encounter broke out, there was total chaos here. But the alert security forces here at the Bund Toll Plaza neutralized all 4 terrorists who were hiding inside that truck. This is a big success for the security forces.
The 4 Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists had infiltrated from Pakistan through the international border in Samba. They were planning major strikes in the valley as per a Pakistani terror plot ahead of the Jammu and Kashmir district elections.
पाकिस्तान बहुत ट्राई कर रहा है इन्फिल्ट्रेशन कराने के लिए और इलेक्शन जो होने वाला है जिसकी तैयारी चल रही है ऑलरेडी डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए.
Possible links of the slain terrorists to the 2 recently arrested Jaish-e-Mohammed men in Delhi is being investigated. Unable to infiltrate due to strong security grids on the line of control, the Jaish-e-Mohammed is now eyeing the international border in Punjab to Jammu. With Sunil G. Bhatt in Nagrota, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.